Academy, and today we will read the first chapter of Movement Class 9 NCERT book, chapter number 1, The Lost Child, written by Mulk Raj Anand. Okay, before that we will have the discussion of word meaning of this chapter. Okay, let's see. Linger, lounge, hanging around, it means moving around. Next is heed, listen, paying attention, careful. Okay, and third one is shrine, monument or religious place. There are number of word meanings which may be hard for you, so you have to go through the line by line and note down the word meaning. Okay, now let us start the chapter without wasting a second. The first chapter is The Lost Child, written by Mulk Raj Anand. Listen. A child goes to a fair with his parents. He is happy and excited and wants the sweet and toy displayed there. But his parents don't buy them for him. Why then does he refuse to accept them when someone else offered them to him? It means we, the human beings, have a strong affection towards our mom and dad. We want everything from our mom and dad, but at not the cost of losing him or her. In this story, it happens the child is very small, and when the child goes to the fair with his village fair with his mom and dad, there he saw number of things and wants everything, and it should be bought by the parents. But unfortunately, the parents have lack of money. It means no money, and you may call the parents were poor. That's why he is unable to buy them. But the children, after few requests, he understood that our parents can't afford to buy it. And lastly, at the merry-go-round on which the generally children swing around, the boy lost his parents, and now the stranger offered him everything whatever he or she wants earlier. But now the children says only one thing, that I want to my mom and dad. Why? There may be the questions that we will see in the last of this chapter. Let us see. It was the festival of spring. From these wintry sets of narrow lanes and alleys emerged a gaily clad humanity. Some walked, some rode on horses, others sat being carried in bamboo and block carts. One little boy ran between his father's leg, brimming on over his with life and laughter. Come, child, come, called his parents as he lagged behind, fascinated by toys in the shops that lined the way. It means the situation is now changed, and the boy moved from this place to there, and number of persons in the block carts, bicycle, by all the means, the street was full with the persons. And same in the boys, and first of all the boys with his parents went to the toy shop and wants the toys. He hurried towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call, his eyes still lingering on the receding toys. As he came to where they had stopped to wait for him, he could not suppress the desire of his heart, even though he well knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes. I want that boy. I want that toy, he pleaded. His father looked at him red-eyed in his familiar tyrant's way. His mother, melted by free spirit of the day, was tender and, giving him her finger to hold, said, "Look, child, what is before you?" It was a flowering mustard field pale like melting gold as it swept across miles and miles of even land. A group of dragonflies were bustling about on their gaudy purple wings intercepting. It means the whole story. First of all, the boys go to the toy shop, sweet shop, merry-go, snack charmer, and every place he got refusal from his parents, and in another way, this way, his parents refuse him because there is a lack of money. And when at last they went to a merry-go-round, and there, due to huge crowd, the boy lost his parents. When he turned away, where is my mom and dad? And there he found that there is no his mom and dad. And that time he realized he feel insecure, and a strange person seeing the boy was weeping and told him, "Come, my child, come to the flower shop, come to the toy shop, come to the sweet shop, come to the merry-go-rounds," and everything was offered by this strange person to the boy. But the boy was not interested and asking the one person, "Where is my mom and dad? I want my mom and dad." And at last, the person felt that the boy didn't have no interest in anything in the fair, and lastly he took the boy to the announcer, or the you may call goalpost of the fair, and where he thought the boy thought that his mom and dad will return back to this place, and the things happen, and with this the chapter ends. And here is the question. In the first part, the boy demands everything in the fair, and in the second part, he refused everything. When he had mom and dad, he wants everything. He had no mom and dad, he doesn't want anything. What were the situation and what were the conditions that the small children understood? And this is the human emotions, that if we have caretaker, we don't realize, and if we lose it, then we realize. And in the similar way, the boys feel insecure, and now he wants his mom and dad with him. Okay, and with this chapter come to end. But there is a question: if we are going to a fair with our children, then and it is crowded, then we must have to avoid such conditions, especially in the village fair, where there is no proper management or policing or guarding system. There we should keep follow some step. We should keep the name, address and everything, and put him in the pocket of the boys or girls, and in the hands of the children, so that if he lost, then he will found by someone and will be returned back to that place. And you must have to, before entering the fair, you must have to told him, if you lost in any case, then you must have to come back this place. I will be waiting for you there. Okay, and the question is, one question is, why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? The child wanted to buy a number of things. He wanted to go on roundabout. He wanted to listen the music of a snake charmer, but now he didn't have the interest in them because he had lost his mom and dad. And I have already told you the cause, because the children was feeling insecure. Okay, I hope you have understood. Please go through the line by line and like, subscribe, and don't forget to share my channel. Thank you. Take care. Okay, hope you will do.